the workshop, which is a collaborative effort by the Institute for Insurance and the National Institute of Disaster Management, is very, very important because it addresses the challenge of bringing the insurance sector and the disaster managers together so that efforts for identifying possibilities of risk transfer mechanisms and solutions which can substantively cover the disaster risk either due to natural disasters or due to human induced disasters. And the risk coverage could also help not only the poor households, but also different sectors in the economy, including critical infrastructure of the economy. So, the deliberations will be of great value, especially in the context of the recommendations of the 15th Finance Commission, as we expect that substantive fund availability will be there for the disaster risk managers in the country, whereby they can address these important issues which will be extremely important from the medium term and long term perspective. Thank you.
Today we have conducted one-day workshop on disaster risk financing, insurance and risk transfer. It has been a very successful event which was jointly organized by National Institute of Disaster Management, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India and Insurance Institute of India, Mumbai. In this, all the stakeholders, both from the central government, state government, the PSUs dealing with insurance and the private insurance players had come. There were deliberations on how to go forward to ensure that the poor and the vulnerable get what is due to them so that they can carry on with their life and build back better should a disaster impact them. A large number of issues came up which will be deliberated upon, and a particular option or two options will be generated and presented to the Finance Commission so that it can be incorporated in the national policy. We are very grateful to Indian Institute of Insurance for giving NIDM a platform and the administrative support for conducting this event. Thank you so much.
NIDM and Insurance Institute of India have together organized this workshop today, which basically is to has brought all these key stakeholders together to discuss about disaster risk insurance in India. In fact, insurance, disaster risk based insurance has not been in practice in most of the most part of the country, because this culture of disaster risk insurance is not there. And today, at least in this workshop, each key stakeholder would present their versions of the story, and wherefrom each one of us can learn and appreciate the concerns and thereby design certain products which possibly can, like other countries in the world, can introduce risk financing, which would help governments as well as communities to get immediate benefit and in rebuilding their livelihoods and infrastructure. So, as states, we are eagerly looking at this conference because in the meanwhile, Government of India has introduced a component of creation of state mitigation funds, for which funding is being made available by Government of India. And once this mitigation fund is constituted, I think states can also think of introducing insurance in certain sectors, provided the connected issues like the risk premium allocations and then the claim settlement processes. There is clarity on all these issues. Hopefully, this conference would bring out a lot of interesting ideas as well as bring in clarity to the understanding of the Government of India as well as the states.
क्योंकि कंक्लूड करना चाह रहे थे. Finding financial solution is not easy in the country like India. Many deliberations were discussed, the challenges, issues and concerns for this particular subject. However, many positive stories were also shared, where agriculture insurance in one state is a success, another state is a failure, but we drawn upon the success stories and to build on that. Many initiatives have been taken by the state governments with the various financial institutions that would be taken forward. In a way, that joint initiatives of National Institute of Disaster Management and Insurance Institute of India is going to take this subject forward. This is not the end, this is just a beginning. And we are 100% sure that this will make a dent in building financial resilience in the country, especially for those who are getting affected the most. The poorest of the poor, and also those who can afford insurance but getting affected without any knowledge about the product which are available with the insurance companies. This was a good interface between the administrator, policymakers, insurer and reinsurers, multilateral lateral agency, bilateral agencies, and we are very much hopeful that it will go a long way in terms of building financial resilience. Thank you very much. अब ठीक हो गया?
Yeah, I'm Usha Rani. I'm Principal Secretary, Revenue and Disaster Management, Government of Andhra Pradesh. I'm very happy to be here in the workshop conducted together by NIDM and Insurance Institute of India. In fact, India, and more particularly Andhra Pradesh, is prone to number of disasters, be it cyclones, floods, drought, etc. And every citizen is really looking for the Government of India, state government, how the governments can handle the disasters. But in this workshop we understood a lot can be done with the individual initiative also. There is a need for the private sector, there is a need for the planning, there is a need for empowerment of citizen, and there is a long term planning that is required. The workshop is very good. We could understand many things, international experiences, how the risk in the disaster is being financially handled, and how the financial planning is done by various states to handle these disaster. It is indeed very good. I congratulate the organizers. Thank you.
I am Rafiullah, Deputy Director of Agriculture, looking after crop insurance from Tamil Nadu. This particular seminar on disaster risk financing, insurance and risk transfer was really very useful, especially to the state government officials like me who are implementing in specific crop insurance scheme. We have understood not only the risks involved in implementing insurance schemes and how best the schemes can be devised for future use. So these which we have learned here will be useful and we will carry to the common man in our state. This crop insurance scheme where I have been working for past 3 years is really useful to the farmers, and we were able to give the maximum benefits to the insured farmers at the time of the calamity and natural calamity striking them. Especially during the drought period 2016-17, around 3,609 crores have been given as a payout to the farmers, especially to the non-loany farmers who do not have land and who do the cropping, cultivation by share cropping or tenant farming. So this particular scheme of Honorable Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, was very useful to the Tamil Nadu farmers, and Government of India rightly puts it that Tamil Nadu is one of the forerunner in implementation of this scheme. After attending this particular seminar, I feel fully confident that we can make this scheme, implementation of this scheme more better in future. Thank you very much. Okay.
I am Deepak Godbole, Secretary General of Insurance Institute of India. Today we are organizing jointly along with NIDM a full day workshop on disaster risk management and financing. disasters and losses are increasing day by day. Many different agencies including NDMA and NIDM have been doing a tremendous work to see to it that the people and the property is either not affected, or once it is affected, they get back their livelihood as early as possible. So many different agencies are working, but it is being felt that maybe people and agencies are working in silos. There is a need for bringing all the stakeholders together at a single platform. This was the intention with which this one-day workshop was organized. The idea behind this is, if government or local authorities move their finances to give the support for reconstruction and redevelopment of the losses that happen after the disaster, government actually has to keep away some of the other developmental projects such as building roads, ports, airports, dams, etc. If it is left to the insurance industry, then insurance industry will do the post disaster built up through the disaster financing. Therefore, it was organized, or it was decided to do it in a way that Insurance Institute will call all the stakeholders who are related with this system of insurance, and today we are happy to see that we have to participate in this seminar or workshop being organized, where apart from NIDM and all the state governments, we also have the insurance companies in private sector and public sector. We have reinsurance companies also again in private sector and public sector. We have the insurance regulator, we have insurance ombudsman, and this way the whole insurance industry is here to actually discuss and decide as to what is the role of insurance in this particular disaster risk management and financing. And I am very sure that at end of the day we would be having so many suggestions which can be given back to NDMA, and then the country will actually think of coming out with certain type of policies which will be implemented, by which the insurance will take its prime role in the disaster risk financing. Thank you.
Good evening. I am happy that we had day-long deliberations on insurance and disaster resilience, about risk transfer through using the insurance mechanism. I am happy that many interested parties, many stakeholders, including the insurance companies, reinsurers, the disaster mitigation specialists, people from the administrative service, the police service, the military, people from various state governments, as well as the NDMA, which has been the prime organization in this field, of course with the support of NIDM too. All of us together have come together under this platform created by NIDM and Insurance Institute of India. I am happy because in today's workshop we could cover a lot of ground including burning issues like data collection, pricing disaster risk insurance in a risk commensurate manner, understanding how reinsurance works, understanding how the reinsurance mechanism can transfer a country's risk across various geographies and various territories globally, how much of support is available worldwide in the form of Lloyd's or Swiss Re or Munich Re or AXA XL, and the capacities of our own homegrown General Insurance Corporation of India, as well as the support from the Lloyd's market. All this together will give us the right kind of funding and the cushioning which we need, which all the insurance companies need for managing disaster risks. Disaster risks have been talked about for long years, but there have been various ways of looking at it, and rightfully so. The problem so far was that all the stakeholders, all the experts have not been coming under one roof and talking together. Today's workshop does precisely that. It brings in people from various areas together, and they are all decided in one voice that insurance is one of the most powerful mechanisms by which disaster risk resilience can be achieved in this country. So we take it forward from there. There are working groups. We are academically, we are in close touch with NIDM, who is quite passionate, who I mean, as an organization is quite passionate about this theme and taking it forward. And from the Insurance Institute of India, we give NIDM all support, and through that, I am sure that the country will achieve a greater level of disaster risk resilience. Thank you.
Yeah, I have attended in the morning session of the disaster risk management program today, and I have seen the excitement and the involvement of all the participants as well as the speakers. I have seen people coming from different states, the central government, the World Bank, and the insurance companies and the reinsurance companies. They all are showing their enthusiasm and demonstrating their interest in resolving the problem of disasters that happen in India. Everybody wants to contribute their own bit and try to ensure that India is free from these kind of calamities that impact the normal people, and the people in general, the lower class people who are really affected by the natural disasters and these kind of risks. And everybody is coming together and they are trying to develop a new way of handling the whole thing as a group, not working in silos, but to work together in such a way that everybody is able to contribute their knowledge and resources and information to bring a solution to this serious problem of disaster that is impacting our country. Thank you.
So I am Devesh Srivastava from General Insurance Corporation of India. I am very happy to be here today for this workshop arranged by the Insurance Institute of India in collaboration with the National Disaster Management Authority and the NIDM as well. Insurance, and especially reinsurance and disaster, go hand in hand. In fact, looking at disasters, looking at the catastrophes that strike the world is something that is bread and butter for us. So we are an integral part of this entire disaster management process that is there in the world. And for India, we will be coming together to devise something. I know we have been doing this for quite a while now, but possibly this is what is the time when something is to come to its logical conclusion. I was recounting the saying of Victor Hugo that nothing in this world is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. The time for this has come now. We will be working in collaboration with all the partners, the insurance industry, the other reinsurers, the NIDM, the Home Ministry of Home, and coming out with something that will make sense and cover the common man, especially the man who is below the poverty line and who needs this insurance the most, who is most badly affected when such disasters strike and uproot him not only from his home, but also deny him the livelihood on which his entire family rests on. So I am happy to be here, and I am looking at very fruitful discussions through the day. I am sure in the long term, going forward, this workshop will help take out something very important for the masses. Thank you.
I think the workshop today has been very timely with the launch of the 15th Finance Commission, which recently released its report for the fiscal year 2021, new directions on the disaster risk financing, which for the first time looks at a very comprehensive approach, looking at not just only the immediate relief and response related expenditure, but also trying to make it more comprehensive by including resources for mitigation, resources for capacity building, and resources for recovery and reconstruction. I think a new beginning has been made. And this workshop in that sense is very timely, because one of the major challenges that the country has been facing, more so at the subnational level, at the state level, is the availability of funds to be able to respond to major disasters. If you see since 2010, we've literally been having major disasters every year, sometimes more than 2 disasters. We've seen this starting with Super Cyclone Palin, followed by Cyclone Hudhud, followed by the flash floods in Jammu and Kashmir, followed by the floods in Uttarakhand, followed by the floods in Tamil Nadu, followed by the floods in Kerala. I think all these, and then the disaster last year in Maharashtra. So I think each and every one of these disasters have very clearly highlighted the scale and the magnitude of the losses that the states have basically been incurring as a result of the disasters, and more importantly, the lack of funding to be able to finance the reconstruction of these damaged assets or even the livelihoods of the most vulnerable households. The states have been stretched to basically find resources, and this at the end of the day has led to compromising long-term development investments where funds had to be reallocated and reappropriated to basically support the immediate needs of post-disaster recovery needs. So I think it's time has come now for the governments, particularly the state governments, to look and embrace and look for alternative ideas and alternative solutions to be able to finance these types of disaster losses. And in that sense, I think that today's workshop is a very timely one by bringing together the key stakeholders, including the NDMA, including the state governments, including the federal, including the central government, including the IRDA, the insurance regulator, the reinsurers and the insurance companies and various other stakeholders to be able to deliberate on the way forward. And the concluding session by the Secretary NDMA was, I think you could not have asked for a much better conclusion, wherein he was very clear in saying that within the next 1 month, if a working group could be constituted and come out with its finding and recommendation on how to take this forward, he would basically do the needful to take this to the next level. So I think overall, it's been a very productive and a fruitful workshop, and I hope that this workshop augurs the beginning for us to be able to develop something on the catastrophe risk financing, which the country has been lagging behind for several years now. And maybe I think we are just there at the cusp of it, and hopefully we should be able to take it forward from here on. Thank you.
Hello everybody. I would like to place my sincere appreciation to III and NIDM for this initiative. I think it's a great start, and I say it's a great start for multiple reasons. 3 to come to my mind. First reason is I think the fact that we all came together today. That itself is a great start. Secondly, I think it was very open discussion and understanding each other's expectations, understanding what each other can deliver for creating this solution environment. And thirdly, it was a great start because we have all decided and determined to make it work, get on the drawing board, and get into the execution. So I think I would really like to compliment that it's a great beginning, and I'm sure we'll be able to deliver bringing great solutions to manage this entire disaster management and risk transfer for our country. Thank you so much. It's okay?
Typically, disaster management is considered as the reactive thing, that whenever disaster happens, government machineries or others step in to do the management of it. Instead of that, there are proactive approaches available towards risk management, where we can reduce the risk or we can finance the risk earlier, so that by way of risk transfer, and for that the mechanisms such as insurance are available worldwide and appreciated worldwide, whereas in India still it is not one of the most popular instrument, I dare say that, because less than 1% of the disaster management expenses can be covered by insurance, because the penetration of insurance for overall country currently is less than 1%. So in such a scenario, it leaves the state government, the central government with a huge protection gap. So this workshop deliberated that how the state machineries can use the mechanism of insurance to do the risk transfer, to do the risk financing, so that in case tomorrow any disaster happen, we will be ready to face that challenge, and instead of allocating some budget from any infrastructure or development activity to do the disaster management, we will already have something ready with us. Thank you.